A bottleneck refers to a situation in which the flow of a process is impeded or slowed down due to a specific constraint, causing inefficiencies and limiting the overall capacity of the system. The term bottleneck originates from the image of liquid being poured through a narrow-necked bottle, where the flow rate is constrained by the narrow opening. In various contexts, bottlenecks can occur in different systems, such as manufacturing processes, transportation networks, computer systems, and even human workflows. Identifying and addressing bottlenecks is crucial for improving efficiency and optimizing performance. In manufacturing, a bottleneck can arise when a particular machine or resource becomes a limiting factor in the production process. Even if other parts of the production line can handle a higher volume, the bottleneck restricts the overall output. To resolve this, companies often invest in additional machinery or optimize the existing bottleneck resource to match the rest of the process's capacity. In transportation, bottlenecks often occur at congested intersections, toll booths, or narrow roadways where traffic flow is restricted, causing delays and reducing overall throughput. To alleviate traffic bottlenecks, urban planners may implement traffic management strategies, such as building bypass roads, adjusting traffic signal timings, or promoting public transportation. In computer systems, a bottleneck can happen when one component, like the CPU, memory, or disk, becomes overloaded, slowing down the overall performance of the system. To address this, system administrators may upgrade hardware, optimize software, or distribute the workload across multiple servers. In project management, bottlenecks occur when a particular task or team becomes the critical path, delaying the entire project's completion. Project managers may reallocate resources, prioritize tasks, or provide additional support to overcome the bottleneck and keep the project on track. In a business context, a bottleneck can be a specific employee or department responsible for essential tasks. If their capacity is limited, it can slow down the entire business operation. To mitigate this, companies may invest in training, hire additional staff, or redesign workflows. Identifying bottlenecks usually involves analyzing data, monitoring performance metrics, and using tools like process mapping to visualize the workflow. Once identified, the next steps involve implementing solutions tailored to each specific bottleneck, which might involve process optimization, resource allocation, or technology upgrades. In conclusion, bottlenecks are inherent in complex systems and can arise in various contexts, hindering overall efficiency and capacity. Understanding the nature of bottlenecks, coupled with strategic planning and targeted improvements, allows organizations to optimize their processes, enhance performance, and achieve their objectives more effectively.